Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. Today's title is called When Should You Use Money Management? This is a tutorial, okay? Now, this here, we're talking about use money management within the TenKei 7.0 EA over here, or the T7. Click here on this face. Today we have a sad face. We've already placed trades in this account. We place trades based on just the direction of the market, and we'll show you that later. More videos to come. But over here, click there, it opens up this box here. Now you have these different choices of looking about whether I want to look over here, don't really need to. Over here, yes, this is where we want to be today. So we're looking at use money management. Right now it's set to true, okay, for this example. When use money management is set to true, that means the percent risk variable here, the variable, percent risk variable, will be used. So the value that's set here for the percent risk is set to 1. So that's 1% risk. 1% risk of this figure here of 3,096 GBP, Great British Pound, or the sterling, would be 30, would equal 30. If we use that number 30, right, listen very carefully, use that number 30, pop it down here. When we pop it down here within MetaTrader, that number 30 does not equal £30 per point. The 30 will equal £3 a point. So you've got to, be careful how you use this. So work out you need to really study your MT4 to understand this here. So where it says here, size is 1, it's not actually £1, it's 10 pence. Okay, if you key in 100, that equals £10 per point. So 90 would be 9 and 80 will be 8 and so forth and so forth. So if you key in 30, and the figure you get here, 30, it will be £3 a point. So this here, this use money management set to true, percent risk at 1, with £3,000 in your account, will automatically make this 30 or £3 a point. So if you want to go lower, then you've got to get into using decimals, really. Okay. So if you wanted to go lower, as in trading pennies per point, which we often recommend you start with, in your demo account, for instance, you treat your demo account like it's a live account. You don't just go in there and just play around and mess it up. You need to keep it real. But when you are using your live account, yes, keep it real. Trade your live account and your demo account exactly the same. But using this, play with it in your demo account to understand it. But what you also have is this. Something I prepared, or we prepared earlier. It shows you, this comes with part of the package. We made this up, put this together. It's been around for a long time. But say, for instance, you had, let's play around with this. You had a starting balance of £2,000 here. This figure here, this one here, is actually this figure here again, 0.002%. We like playing around with that. So if you had £2,000 in your account, let's put this to 2,000. 1, 2, 3. There. That means it'd be 4 pence per point. Start with pennies. Okay. So this will help you. This daily, the TTT as we called it back then, daily trading plan, will help you figure out your calculations over here. So use the daily trading plan and this combined, because the daily trading plan has been set to work with this. But this really is a video to explain when should you use money management. In this, you use it when you're ready, basically. So here, if you to get used to this, you need to play with it. But perhaps what you should do for now as a new user, set it to false, especially in your live account. Use the lots, so you can put your lots to, this is like £1 a point. Remember, if we put in 100 here, that's £10 a point, etc. And this here, number 1, is 10 pence a point. So get to understand that. All right, but the video is really about this. When should you use this? So do ensure when you start that this is set to false, but open your demo account in one of your, there's a video which shows you how to set up multiple accounts like this, demo accounts, etc. So you can use them as your sandbox, play around with it, and get to use this. So you do have 90 days, 3 months to play around with it to get used to it. It's good, it all works, but you need to, yes, this is like a whole new language, a whole new understanding. You need to get your head around it, but you've got time, and ask us questions. Whenever you ask questions, we shall create a video. So we shall answer your questions with a video. So when to use money management? When you're ready. But this is how you use it. True, percentage, these two work together, but if it's set to false, this won't work at all. It'll just drop down to that. Okay, I hope that helps.